innocence, the simplicity of life force. Innocence breathing. This breath strengthens the lungs. It releases grief and returns us to our natural childlike nature. It strengthens our ability to let go and innate generosity. Find yourself in a comfortable, easy position and begin to take a deep inhale through your nostrils and hold the breath for a few moments. As you exhale out through the mouth, blow like you're blowing up a balloon. Blow steady and strong for as long as possible, maintaining the strength at the end of the breath. Inhaling through the nostrils, hold the breath a few moments, and then exhale out the mouth like you're blowing up a balloon, strong and steady. Practice a few rounds of this long, streaming exhale. Really enjoy the letting go, emptying out, the sound of the breath. And imagine yourself just giving and letting go as you exhale long, full breaths. Notice the feeling in your chest and your lungs as you do this breath. And then relax and rest and come back to your natural innocence. Innocence Meditation. Get comfortable and find an easy position. Relax your body fully. Take a few deep breaths, just letting go. And gradually moving into that space of your heart. Inside your heart, connect with your playfulness, your childlike nature, your artistic self, and let go of all complexities. Drop into that space of I don't know. Letting go of the mind and dropping into your heart fully. Listening to sweetness, receiving images, hearing sounds or your own inner voice. Tuning in to your true innocence and the incredible wisdom within that simplicity, that innocence, that child. And letting go of all trying, and know you're perfect just as is. And there's nothing to do correct or incorrect. In your heart, you're free to just be and explore. You're just playing in your heart, just being in that simplicity. Being the simplicity of life force, your natural innocence.